Hi Steffen.
Hi Matthias, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good. What do you have today?
I brought 2 new products with me and I would like to tell you a little bit more about it.
Very much excited about that. Thank you. Great. So Matthias, you said you had 2 new products. Which ones do you have?
Yeah, we have 2 different ones. The first one is our IREKS Mediterranean and the other one is our IREKS Smoky Onion.
Oh wow, okay. So you said smoky onion. That sounds interesting. Tell me more about it.
Yeah, this is our bread-based mix and it is a 30% concentrate. We also have some fried onions in and the special thing about this product is we do have also a smoky flavor in, and this flavor makes it so special.
Okay. Can I have a taste? I would like to taste it.
Yeah, for sure, no problem. Here, have a smell.
That is really nice, yeah? What products can you do with this? What do you have in mind?
That's the best thing about this product. It is really versatile. So you can do, for example, a tear and share with it. You can do baguettes with it. And the best thing, you have it already in your hands, are the burger buns.
So, you said we have a second product.
For sure. The second one is our IREKS Mediterranean. And the Mediterranean is a 50% concentrate. It includes different herbs and spices. For example, dried peppers, dried onions. And it is the perfect base for all Mediterranean baked goods like ciabatta or baguettes or burger buns.
Okay. That sounds interesting. Let's have a taste.
Yeah, for sure, no problem. Can you hear that sound of the crust?
Yeah, I do, yes. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, Steffen, this is the end of our short presentation. I hope you learned something about our new products and I hope you could take something with you.
Yes, Matthias, many thanks. Very exciting. I do like the products. To you, I hope as well that we can generate or could generate some interest into those new product ideas from IREKS. Please do reach out to IREKS UK if you would like to have recipe ideas or assistance. I think, Matthias, for us now, it's time to enjoy the food, right?
That's true.